Malawians, as we celebrate this holy season, let us reflect on the powerful words of Isaiah chapter 9, verse 6. For to us a child is born, and to us a son is given, and the government will be on his shoulders. And he will be called Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father, and Prince of Peace. These words remind us that the birth of Jesus Christ was God's ultimate gift to humanity, a gift of hope, love, and renewal. This Christmas, I urge us to embrace the true meaning of this season. Let us come together as one nation, setting aside divisions or religion, politics, and tribe. This is a time to rebuild trust, restore broken families, and strengthen the bonds of our communities through forgiveness and love.
Christmas also calls us to remember the depth of God's love. He gave His only Son to bring salvation to the world. That love reminds us of our responsibility to reflect Christ's compassion and generosity in our daily lives. This is the season to give, not just material gifts, but the gifts of kindness, grace, and support, to reach out to the poor, the lonely, and the brokenhearted in giving. In doing so, we embrace them with the love of Christ and live out the true spirit of Christmas.
As a nation, we are at a crossroads where unity and healing are needed more than ever. Let us use this season to renew our commitment to each other, to strengthen our faith, and to seek God's guidance for our families and our country. The birth of Christ teaches us that even in the darkest times, God's light shines brightest. May we, as Malawians, draw closer to God and to one another, striving together to build a nation of peace, love, and opportunity.
Let this Christmas be a reminder that love, unity, and generosity are not just seasonal, but values we should carry throughout the year. As we reflect on Christ's sacrifice, may we commit to being instruments of His peace, bringing hope where there's despair and joy where there's sorrow.
From my family to yours, we wish all Malawians a blessed and joyous Christmas. May the peace of Christ reign in your hearts and homes. And may this season inspire us to work together for a brighter and more united Malawi. God bless you all. My wife and I wish you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous 2025.